Hi everyone, welcome to Garden Faithfully, my new channel where we'll be digging deep into gardening, growing our faith along the way, and discovering and understanding this incredible world God created for us to enjoy and care for. My name is Bob and I'm so excited to have you join me on this journey. If you're like me, you're interested in growing your own food, not afraid to get your hands dirty, and you're excited to explore the connection between nature and our faith in the one who brought it all into existence. Everything is connected, and that is quite obvious when you start to garden. Life is much the same way, and so exploring these together is only fitting. I'm still figuring out exactly what this channel will be. I know for sure that we'll be talking about regenerative gardening, building healthy soil, and taking steps towards self-sustainability. We'll explore how our faith can inspire us to be better stewards of the earth, and how spending time in nature can deepen our relationship with God. It has His fingerprints all over it. You'll quickly gather, as I'll point it out frequently, I'm no expert in any of these topics. But what I lack in expertise I make up for by being curious and willing to give a new thing a try. The worst that can happen is you fail. That's the wonderful thing about gardening, there's always next year. I'm anxious to share what I'm discovering along the garden paths of life in both my garden as well as in my understanding of Jesus Christ. So whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, whether you're deeply rooted in your faith or simply curious about exploring it, I hope you'll find something here to inspire and encourage you. Some of the things I want to explore on this channel pertains to regenerative gardening. We'll go deeper than just avoiding chemicals. We'll learn how to mimic nature's patterns to build soil fertility, conserve water, and create habitats that attract beneficial insects and wildlife. I've learned to ditch the digging and how minimizing soil disturbance can protect the complex web of life beneath our feet. This leads to healthier plants and a lot less work. We'll explore how mulches, these living blankets for the soil, can suppress weeds, prevent erosion, and feed the soil life that nourishes our plants. Recently, I've unlocked the secrets of plant partnerships that naturally deter pests, attract pollinators, and enhance growth. This brings us to the granddaddy of all the topics, soil health, the foundation of a healthy garden and a healthy planet. We'll talk compost, worms, and all that good stuff eventually, but there's one last thing that makes this channel different. Faith in the God of nature. We'll be exploring the spiritual lessons we can learn from the garden and God's creation, especially that first garden where all of this first began. We'll reflect on biblical stories and teachings about gardens and growth and how they relate to our own spiritual journeys. Our lives ought to be more mindful, and the garden helps us to discover how spending time in nature, thinking, cultivating gratitude, peace, and a deeper relationship with the God who gave us all good gifts. Creation is the context for all of those good things. We are stewards of God's creation, and so understanding our responsibility to care for the earth is a special gift. And practicing our faith at the same time will cause us to be inspired and to live more sustainably as God's image bearers. The garden is full of opportunities to find moments of awe and wonder in the beauty and complexity of the natural world. If you miss it, it's because you're not looking for it to welcome you to know Him who gave it to you for that very purpose. So hit that subscribe button and come along with me. Ring the notification bell so you won't miss a video. I'm so glad you're here, and I can't wait to see where this adventure takes us. Soli Deo Gloria, and remember, garden faithfully and faithfully garden. See you next time on Garden Faithfully.